set builder form in sets. So in this set theory, so let's see the set builder form. So this we can call as a even rule method. So not only set builder form, rule method or description method also we can say. So description method. You can read say like this: set builder form, rule method or description method. So this under this method, so we just will list the properties satisfied by all the elements in the given set. Same we can use the braces. Let us see one example. There is one set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now this is the roster form. So roster form means within the braces we should write the elements. Now under this method, under the set builder form, we should write, instead of writing the elements, we should give them one condition. So we should give the description about this. So we can write this, we can to convert into set builder form. That is same this one x. So these are all elements. I am taking some x such that this line. So this line is x such that x having some property. So these all the elements are belongs to natural numbers, right? X belongs to n. Natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1, but this is maximum is up to 6 according to this roster form. That means x is less than 7. Okay, now you can see this. This is the roster form and this is the set builder form. So this is the roster form they given. Now by using some description, we convert it into set builder form or rule method. So this is the set builder form together. So any example is given, we can convert like this. For example, you see one more. Let me take with negative numbers. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the roster form. Elements are given. Now using this element, we should frame one description. So to convert into the set builder form, let me take all the elements as x, such that is x belongs to integers because negative and positive. But how many? These all minimum is -2, maximum is 3. That means x value is between -2 and 3. So -2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3. Okay, just we are making some rule or making some description. That's why our set builder form is this. We won't write the elements again, but within the braces, we're taking some x such that we can read it as x such that x belongs to integers. Here x is between -2 and 3, including -2 and 3 also. So -2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3 we can write. Let us see one example. Here else 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So these are the elements. By observing elements, we should see the condition. So what is the description? So if you notice, these are all the factors of 24. Okay, there is no extra other number. So these are all the factors of 24. Then x such that we can write directly x is a factor. We can write the statement x is a factor of 24. X such that this is the description, x is a factor of 24. That means these are the elements. Factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Right? Any condition is given, we can arrange in this way. Let us see one more. Few more examples. Let us see. If you take one, by observing the numbers only, we need to make. Okay, 16, 25, 36. So if you notice, these are all some squares, right? 49, 64, 81, 100. Okay, these are the numbers. Now we can make this into secular form. That is x such that how we can write. So 16 is the 4 square, 25 is 5 square. So started from 4. That means x is equals to, let it be n square. These all, each and every element belongs to x. Now here x is equals to n square, and here n is belongs to the, sorry, n value x square, and n belongs to natural numbers, but n value from which number to which number you can see. So n belongs to natural numbers, but n is from 4 to 10 only. Okay, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, like that. So that we can write 4 less than or equal to n less than or equals to 10. Now you can notice the condition. So according to this, n value from 4, 5, 6 up to 10 natural numbers, n square. So 4 square, first number, first element will come. Next to 5 square, second element. 6 square, 36, third element. Up to 10 square is 100. This is the making. A numbers are given. Let us take one, even fractions also. Let me show an example. Any number is given. For example, 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3, okay, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, so on. Dots are there till infinity. That means this we can arrange in this way. For example, here is x such that x is equals to, once you notice, if the 1 is on top, down is one extra number. 2 means 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is numerator, 3 plus 1 is 4. So if I take n is numerator, denominator is n plus 1. Right? And here n belongs to the natural numbers, because starting only 1 it is. Okay, 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. Like that. So these are all the numbers will come. So n belongs to natural numbers. So all the numbers you should take. Then this is the series you'll get. Okay, this is the making. So you can call this is a rule method or description method to confirm, to convert in this. So this is the set builder form, and starting is the roster form, converting. So roster form to set builder form, as well as set builder form to roster form also you can convert. The main difference is the based on the elements. Okay, based on these elements, we should write the description about that. By satisfying these all the elements in condition. So that making like this is a called set builder form. Next we will see the kinds of sets. How many types of sets are there? Let us see all those things now.